Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check for live traffic in Google Maps. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Google Maps, then you should see a little diamond symbol near the top right hand side, so you just want to click on there, and then you should see traffic. So you just want to tap on there and see that it's highlighted, then close it off. And this will bring up a little picture of all the traffic that's wherever you want to look at. So obviously the red lines mean there's quite a high level of traffic. The orange means there's not as much. You can also click on these little symbols and it'll give you information, so it'll just let you know there's been a crash an hour ago. And you can also click on these symbols here and it'll let you know that there's a road being closed and what time it'll be closed till. You can obviously just look around different places where you might be visiting and just seeing what the traffic's like on your route. So that's how you can check live traffic on Google Maps. Thanks for watching.